Welcome dear students in my course named Determinants of Quality Life, and topic we discuss the role of environment in quality of life. Content of this module is environment and human, environment and quality life, environment, health and social inequalities, link between human health and built environment, effect of environment on quality of life, environmental degradation and its health consequences, disease burden attributed to the environment, unequal distribution of environmental risk, environmental sustainability and quality of life. Learning outcome. At the end of this lesson, this module, a student will be able to understand the concept of environment and the role of determining quality of life. Identify various environment factors that affect human health and well-being. Critically analyze the multidimensional linkage between environmental conditions and quality of the life indicators. Examine examples of unequal access to the environmental resources across different populations. Recognize the importance of environmental sustainability in promoting healthy and secure lifestyle. Now we discuss the relation between environment and human. The natural environment is the foundation of human existence, and our built environments shape the quality of life in important ways. Clean water, fresh air, and healthy foods are necessities for life, and adverse weather events create risks to livelihoods and well-being. Access to pristine, green, and blue spaces is a source of recreation and enjoyment. The environment can also be interpreted broadly to include more than just nature. Parks and public transit, walkable communities, lower level of noise, pollution, and pleasing aesthetics are aspects of the local environment that contribute to a higher quality of life. Environmental sustainability has been identified as a key priority for the well-being of both the current population and the future. Environment of quality of life. Environment plays a crucial role in shaping the quality of life for individuals and communities. The environment is the complex system of physical, chemical, and biotic factors that surround and interact with an organism or community, influencing its growth, development, and survival. Quality of life. Quality of life is defined as a World Health Organization in 1997 as an individual's perceptions of their position in life in the context of the culture and value system in which they live and in relation to their goals, expectations, and in standards and concerns. Environment, health, and social inequality are deeply interconnected. The environment plays a vital role in shaping people's physical, mental, and social well-being. Although Europe has made significant progress in improving environmental and health standards, major inequalities in environmental quality and health outcome still exist both between different countries and within regions of same country. These disparities are influenced by complex interactions among environmental factors, socioeconomic status, geographic location, and cultural context. Health is influenced by environmental conditions like air, water, and noise. Inequalities in exposure lead to uneven health outcomes across populations. A broader view is needed to understand how multiple environmental pathways interact with social determinants of health. The link between human health and built environment. The physical structure and layout of city areas, including housing, roads, and public infrastructure, can directly impact human health. Poorly planned or outdated built environment often leads to increased exposure to harmful elements. Communities near industrial or agricultural sites with inadequate safety can face pollution-related health issues. Older buildings may contain toxic materials such as lead pipes in water system, asbestos in insulation materials. These substances are linked to long-term health concern, especially in vulnerable populations. Food access and health inequality. The problem of food deserts. Many urban neighborhoods, especially low-income areas, lack nearby access to affordable, nutritious food. These areas are often referred to as food deserts. Residents in food deserts have limited options for fresh produce, dairy, and lean proteins. They often rely on pre-packaged foods, fast food takeout. This dietary pattern contributes to rising rate of obesity, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes. Effect of environment on quality of life. Quality of life is multifaceted concept encompassing various aspects of well-being. The environment comprising natural surroundings and built infrastructure plays a pivotal role in shaping human health and overall quality of life. Physical health and environment. The quality of life, the quality of the air we breathe, water we drink, and the spaces we inhabit directly affect physical health. That studies by Smith et al. In 2019 have highlighted the link between air pollution and respiratory diseases, emphasizing the importance of clean air for human health. Access to clean water sources, as noted by Patel et al. In 2020 studies, is critical for preventing waterborne diseases and maintaining overall health. The presence of green spaces, according to research by Frumkin et al. In 2017, contributes to improved physical health and reduce stress level. Mental well-being and environmental factors. Nature and green environment have a significant impact on mental health. Kaplan and Kaplan research in 1989 suggests that exposure to nature can alleviate stress and mental fatigues. Conversely, degraded environments and exposure to pollutants can lead to increased stress and mental health issues. This study is done by Grenade and Patel in 2009. Social and community aspect. The environment also influences social interaction and community well-being. Strong community ties and social cohesion often thrives in areas with ample green spaces and well-maintained surroundings. That study is done by Peters et al. In 2016. On the contrary, environmental injustices as observed in marginalized communities can negatively affect social bond and community health. That is studies done by Ballard in 1994. Economic implication. Environmental degradations bears economic consequences. Increased health care cost due to pollution related illness. This study is done by Chen et al. In 2020. And the long-term economic impact of unsustainable practices highlight the importance of healthy environment for economic stability. Environmental degradation and its health consequences. Environmental deteriorations coupled with modern lifestyle changes is contributing to the surge in non-communicable diseases. Exposure to harmful environmental factors is now closely linked to some of the most pressing public health challenges in Europe. Key health issues linked to environmental factors are air pollution, noise, chemical exposure, contaminated water, and loss of natural spaces are harmful public health. Associated diseases include obesity and diabetes, cardiovascular and neurological disorders, various forms of cancer, reproductive and mental health conditions. Special concern for children. Children are particularly vulnerable to asthma and allergic environmentally induced concern, that is long-term health. Disease burden attributed to the environment. World Health Organization estimates pan-European region. The World Health Organization highlights the heavy toll of environmental factors of public health, responsible for 15 to 20% of all deaths, accounts for 18 to 20% of total disability, adjusted life years, 6 to 12% of the total disease burden could be attributed to 9 environmental risks. Leading contributors included particulate matters, noise pollution, radon gas, environmental tobacco smoke, result showing be interpreted with the caution but offer a useful ranking of environmental health threats. Unequal distribution of environmental risk. Environmental quality differences. Not all European population experiences the same environmental conditions. Urbanization, pollution levels, and natural resources use vary widely. These variations result to uneven exposure to health risks and unequal access to environmental benefits like green spaces. Who suffers the most? Vulnerable and socio-economically disadvantaged groups are more likely to live in degraded environment. Environmental justice remains a crucial issue for policymakers aiming to improve public health equitably. Environmental sustainability and quality of life. Environmental sustainability refers to the responsible use and management of natural resources in ways that maintain ecological balance and ensure a healthy environment for future generations. A sustainable environment directly improves the quality of life by ensuring clean resources, that is, clean air, clean water, and clean soil are fundamental to good health. Sustainability protects these essentials from depletion and contamination. And reducing disease burden. Quality of life by reducing disease burden. Sustainable practices reduce pollution and waste, lowering the risk of respiratory, waterborne, and lifestyle-related diseases. Quality of life improved by promoting mental well-being, that is, access to clean, green, and quiet environment is associated with lower stress level, reduced anxiety, and better cognitive functions. Quality life by enhancing livelihood, sustainable agriculture, tourism, and energy create green jobs and support long-term economic security. Improve the quality of life by increasing community resilience, that is, environmental sustainable communities are better prepared for climate-related disaster and resource scarcity. In essence, a sustainable environment forms the foundation for a high quality of life, and that is healthy, secure, equitable, and resilient. Key sustainable practices for enhancing quality life is reduce, reuse, recycle, green building design, renewable energy adoptions, water conservation by rainwater harvesting and reduce the water consumption and reuse the water and recycle the water, waste management and composting, and urban green infrastructure. Conclusion of this module is clean air, safe water, and green space are essential for good health and well-being. Both natural and built environment influence how we live, feel, and thrive. Environmental pollutions and climate change reduce quality of life and increase healthy risk. Sustainable practices help protect resources and ensure long-term health and stability. Everyone, individual, communities, and governments must take actions. A healthy environment is the foundation of the healthy, meaningful life. Thank you.